conformation copy, coarse incomplete fusion of slag inclusions, and micro-penetration are all defects that cannot escape the eyes of eddy current automatic detection. After a series of processing steps such as uncoiling, drying, and trimming, the steel strip is automatically welded into a steel pipe online, and then enters the eddy current inspection area. The probe moves relative to the steel pipe and uses a through-pipe probe to detect the weld quality of the steel pipe. When the steel pipe is sent to the inspection area, the wave inspection equipment will monitor in real time the defects such as cracks, faults, and missed welds in the steel pipe welds.